My mom has a special walk now. New walk. Check out the new walk. Wow. Wow.
And when it turns, I go like this.
Wow. Wow.
I'm gonna make a turn.
Wow.
I'm gonna make a turn.
Wow. There's the line behind you. There's a line behind you. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Just wow.
Big turn.
Big turn. Big turn. Wow. 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 All right, let's do some It's a Small World in Disney World 2018. What's up, Ewan? The best ride. You know it. Heck yeah, just 4. Thank you. All right, let's do this. Let's do this. Team, It's a Small World season. Can I go on the end? I'll stay by my mom, actually. Here we go. Can I switch with you by chance?
Yes.
Sweet. Alrighty. Everyone's favorite ride. Everybody's favorite ride. Hello! That's great. Hello, you excited?
Yes, I love it.
Very excited.
It's
gonna be a good one.
I love to hear it over and over and over again. I hope when you watch this, you go to bed and you dream this and you think this.
Oh yeah, watch your hats. It's gonna be big hills, big hills. You take off your hats. Don't want to lose them on the big drop at the end that they just added, I heard.
They added a drop.
Big drop. Massive drop at the end, I heard.
Like a dubstep?
That's the, yes, just like a dubstep. Exactly. Bye-bye. All right, here we go. Everyone's favorite ride. It's a Small World.
For your safety, please remain seated.
Wow.
Please remain seated.
That's amazing, Anomaly. That's amazing. Here we go. Watch out for the big drop at the end. Huge drop. Anomaly, that's amazing. You went on this ride with 142 people from 22 different countries. Incredible. That's already different. Let's check it out. Wow. This is what Twitch was made for, right? I can't believe I'm streaming It's a Small World. This is amazing. I don't know. I don't know. Oh yeah, you know that. One.
Now has 13 characters. So Pinocchio, Snow White,
Wow. Ooh.
Croissant, oui, oui, champagne, oui, oui, bonjour. Perfume.
John Luke. Ooh.
Irish
Ooh, Ireland. I feel like, how short is this? We're flying. It's a Small World in Florida really short?
I think
Dude.
these are
Whoops.
the Dutch.
You dead? Dutch. Beautiful. Beautiful. The Eiffel Tower. Nice, nice. Wow. Wow.
Spain.
Wow.
España, bueno, España, bueno, muy bueno. Italia.
Oh, that's cool.
That's why Venice. I didn't know
Oh yeah, that's the Swiss Alps. Pretty good. Wow.
And the goats
Beautiful.
from Italy.
Beautiful. Oh, here, yeah, oh, that was the big drop right there. Just hoping that was the big drop. Can't wait for the huge drop.
Israel.
That's fun.
Is that India? What's this?
What are you up to? What's he doing, you think? What's he doing, you think?
Or the Asian continent, that's what we're
What's he doing? Be beautiful. I want to take that route. How do you take that route? How do you take that route? Wow. Oh, Disney World. Wow. Holy. This is wild. This is wild. Wow. That's real special. Now, what's his ankle doing? Beautiful. All the monkeys. Gotta have the monkeys. Wow. 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 Where are we at now? Where are we at now?
Race through the diamond mine from Snow White and Seven Dwarfs on it.
Ooh. Here? What's going on here? What's hello? What's he doing? Everyone's favorite content. It's a Small World. Oh, those dudes are singing. Ooh. Crocodile. Oh, that bird. Definitely. That's funny. Yeah, this ride's wild. This ride is so ancient. It's like it's aged really weirdly. It's a great ride. It's a classic. Originally debuted at the World's Fair. Not this one, but the Anaheim version. Shout out, it's a Small World. My grandparents went on the original one at the World's Fair. Spraying water at us. Classic. Oh, heck yeah. Yeah, in California, I think Stitches. Yeah. I like it. I like not having the characters in this version. But, you know, that's fine. Everybody doing their thing. We all like what we like, and that's chill. Wow, what is this? Yeah, I think this version is significantly shorter than the California one. Woo! There it is.
Is this a white party?
I don't know.
Do you know that white parties?
I don't know what that is.
You went to a white party where everybody gets to wear white?
No. Oh, I usually wear like the opposite when I do those.
I think this is a worldwide white party.
It's wild.
This is where it all started.
This is wild. There's a lot going around. Spinning plates.
This is really cool.
Ooh. Wow. Sing it. Nice work. It's gotta be crazy. That's me. That looks like me. That's me. Let's go. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, nice. Nice. Well, that was It's a Small World. Disney World 2018. Everyone's favorite ride. That was a blast. What do you think?
I think it's a small world after all.
I think at the end of the day, it is a small world.
It's a small world.
It's absolutely a small world. Turns out. Well, thanks for riding to Small World with us. I'll see you on the next ride. Adios.